today I'm gonna try to chug a Coke without burping. So after I chug it, we're gonna give it about a minute. We'll see what happens. Nice and hard to chug. Okay. I don't think anything's happening. Wait for part 2.